So current title is Project Controls Manager with a pre-construction focus. And we developed this role years ago, but really for operations, and decided that we were falling a little bit behind with pre-construction. And we used to be some of the innovators in technologies in pre-construction when we started with DProfiler and then transitioned to DESTIMator. And so we really want to be on the front end of it again. And so these big lofty goals that we've had for the last 5 years, when we were trying to do it on our kind of nights and weekends and time off, really needed to become a position. And so my role is to help the California as well as the Southwest District in innovating, creating consistency through the offices as well, and really just to be on the front end of innovation with a focus on pre-construction. So I've always been passionate about design. Actually, it's a funny story. Was in college, was getting my civil engineering degree, and I was already interning for another general contractor at the time, and knew like this wasn't right for me. I want to build, but this particular degree wasn't where I wanted to go. So I came back. At the time at Georgia Tech, there was a degree called building construction, but you had to go back through the College of Architecture. And I decided right then, like, I'm gonna become an architect. I love it, I love design. Called my father and he said, absolutely not. You've already been in school for 3 years, you're out of state, you need to get out. Get your building construction degree and you can design on the side. So it's always been a passion, not necessarily where my career has gone, but what's great about pre-construction, especially here at Sundt, is a lot of our projects, we work very closely with the design team and we're able to put input, right, based on market pricing or where materials are going. So I really feel like I can get my passion out with the design team, but also be able to be what we are, which is a skilled builder. So I've been with Sundt about 12 years now. What I love about Sundt is we have a pretty diverse company. Within the building group, we've done every type of project, but also we're a pretty innovative company. And when I first came here, we were just jumping into DProfiler, and I loved how we were on the front end of innovation and technologies. In fact, recently we've changed one of our core values to innovation. And so where I sit, I'm actually next to our frontline construction technologies group, which is basically, I sit right next to the director of innovation. So I get to hear about these big company changes and initiatives spread throughout the company, as well as I'm working on those for pre-construction. And just that frame of mind around constantly thinking how we're gonna build and create new things is just something that's always intrigued me about Sundt.